Hello students, welcome to the class again. I'm your teacher Ragni Tiwari and students. Today we will discuss next category of classified advertisement, matrimonials. Right? Matrimonials where this advertisement category is for those candidates or person to relate to create a relationship, okay? And searching for a person's relation, especially regarding marriages. Okay, so this advertisement is written while looking for prospective marriage candidates. Okay, the person who is in search of a good bride or a girl who can search for a good bridegroom through this matrimonial column. So what points we need to remember while writing this advertisement? Begin with the wanted or alliance or proposal invited. You can begin your matter, your advertisement content with a word. If you want, you can use this wanted, or if you like, you can use alliance, which means relationship, or proposal invited. Anything you can use here. Next, state boy or girl. State boy or girl here means you are mentioning this advertisement for bride or bridegroom. Okay, bride or bridegroom, what you require. Then educational or professional qualification of the candidate. The person who is in expectations of a bride or bridegroom must mention his or her educational information, educational qualification or professional qualification. Then service or professions income, in which service the person is or the candidate is, or in which profession he is, must mention their income. Age, height and complexion. Your personality details also required here. What is your age, your height, your complexion. Okay, then caste or subcaste, which comes in a religion. Okay, it is also requirable. If you don't require it, you can say that it is negotiable, or you are not interested in all. Then qualities short in partner. If you want to mention some more qualities which you are short in partner, which you are citing in a partner, you can mention that also. End with box number, care of the daily. With the box number means you are not mentioning here your address. Why? Because it is there is some privacy matter. The person can go through this box number with the help of this daily. Daily means your daily newspaper where you are publishing this advertisement. Okay, that's why care of you can write about the you can mention the newspaper. Okay, the newspaper which is publishing, and the box number will be your ID. The person can contact you through this box number. Okay, so these points you need to remember while writing matrimonial advertisements. Let's go through an example. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured, and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Okay, the boy has mentioned his characteristics and what kind of expectations of his for a bride. He had mentioned that also. So you need to mention these both information in advertisement. So write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of National Daily. So this this question expresses that here this advertisement is for bride wanted, not bridegroom. Okay, because the highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance. That person seeks alliance. Okay, it means he was seeking for a bride. So your main heading, your first heading will be bride wanted. And if a girl is seeking for a bridegroom, then heading will be bridegroom wanted. Okay, see the example like this. Bride wanted. Okay, the person need a bride, that's why you can write here bride wanted. If the person need a if any girl need a bridegroom, then it will be here bridegroom wanted. You can start your content like here, like this. Alliance invited for a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional. Okay, first all the references of boy should be mentioned here, that the boy wanted what for a bride for whom? For a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional, 29 years, 180 centimeter tall, NRI settled in London. The boy has mentioned all information about himself here as CEO of a reputed firm, exceptionally, and what he wanted now. See, what was his expectation in as a uh, in his bride. So exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl between 21 age it is 21 and 24, and at least 5 feet 4 inch tall. Only status Punjabi family. The person is referring only Punjabi family. Mention here box number 867B, the Times of India, New Delhi. So these are the requirements which you need to mention in matrimonial column. You need not to go through any other formalities. This much information is sufficient for this column. So students, this is all about matrimonials. I hope you all have got the point. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.